Today we are going to talking about honey and its incredible health benefits. You might be surprised by just how much this sweet and sticky substance can do for your body. First thing first, what is honey? Well, it's natural sweetener made by bees from the nectar of flowers. Bees collect the nectar and bring it back to the hive, where they process it into honey. It's been used for centuries as food and medicine, and for good reason. So what happens to your body when you start eating honey? Well, for starters, it can help improve your digestion. Honey has enzymes that can break down food and make it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. It can also help soothe an upset stomach and prevent bloating. But that's not all. Honey is also a great source of antioxidants which can help boost your immune system and fight for diseases. It can even help alleviate allergy symptoms by reducing inflammation in the body. And if you are looking for a natural way to sweeten your food, honey is a great option. Unlike refined sugar, which can spike your blood sugar level and lead to energy crashes, honey has low glycemic index and can provide a steady source of energy. But not. Honey is created equal. To get the most health benefits, look for raw, unprocessed honey that has not been heated or filtered. This type of honey will still contain all of the enzymes, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that can do wonders for your body. And there you have it. Now you know what happened to your body when you start eating honey. It's a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet and can provide a wide range of health benefits. So go ahead and enjoy a spoonful of honey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. See you next time.